Hey y'all, welcome back to the journey. Man, we're still in the thick of it, but whew, we're getting it cleared out. So actually, let's go check it out. So yeah, as you can see, this side, I mean, we've touched, some of the trees that are like majorly leaning over into the driveway. So it's basically clear for the most part, but then you come over here, you can see that big tree right here is where I was trying to get to on the last video, which I still need to get into that fence to get that fence taken down. But I'm gonna go ahead and start working the rest of that fence to the gate. But check it out, y'all. Woo. Look how open that looks. So from here, I mean, even going down to the pond, eventually we're gonna get all that small stuff just cleared out of there. But right now I've been cutting, letting it lay, and then we're gonna come back through and limb them up, move them out, because some of that bigger stuff, like I said, we're gonna use as posts. But I know that we're still doing a lot of the same stuff, but this is stuff that needs to happen so we can get the RV in here. This big tree is gonna come down. Right now I know I can get the RV past it, so we're not gonna worry about that too much, because I need a new chain for the bigger saw on that. Huh, Willow? Willow's been doing good. It's all cleared out. Big cedar that's gonna come down eventually. Whew, big stuff. And then, like I said, I still got the fence right here that'll be coming out today. And the love of my life. But yeah, look how big and open this is. All those trees are gone.
The other ones are just gonna be sporadically.
Yeah, if you didn't hear what she said, she just said all the other ones are gonna be sporadic going through, but
Not cutting them all out.
not gonna cut them all out. No. But you can see the pile getting bigger. If you see it way over there, I'll try to zoom you in. So yeah, we'll try to get that lit up, lighted up. Yeah, we're gonna burn it. So we'll get that knocked out today, because it's still super soggy wet. I mean, you can just see, I mean, we got mud a little bit of everywhere. And whew, so we really need to jump into the culverts, but I think we're gonna do that later in the week, because we're supposed to have sun. It's supposed to get hot today. I'm about ready to take this jacket off. It's getting hot today, but then it's cooling down, but still sunny. So I think with that, we should be good to start moving some rock, because I'll be able to bring the smaller truck in and not have to worry about getting stuck. So, but anyway, let's get back to work, because it ain't gonna do it itself.
So, my dog's in the pond. It's a hot day, and she's deciding to relax. As you can tell, I can pretty catch my breath, because I've been hauling branches over to the burn pile. But there she is, having fun in the pond. All of that and I work. Yeah, let's see if I can get a closer eye. What you up to there? All that fur, huh? Must be hot. Huh. And there's baby Lambie. Oh, don't run. Sit. Okay. I thought she was going to get me there for a second. And, oh, she just took her baby over there. She loves that baby lamb. But yeah. Yeah. Oh, must be nice to cool, huh? It's looking nice. All right, say bye. All right, guys.
All right, so I've been going through, continuing to cut down trees. This is going to be the last tree for the day. A nice big tall cedar. It's probably a good 10 to 12 inches in diameter coming around, but I also need to be careful because I have a post right here and it's actually the direction I need it to go, but I'm going to have it fall that way instead. And I already started the cut over here, and then the saw ran out of gas, so I had to go fill her back up again. But I guess that was just nature's way of saying, hey, you're supposed to be recording this. So I went and grabbed the camera too. So let's finish this cut. That's what I did not want to happen, and that's why I really needed to throw a wedge in there. Damn it.
His tripod's gone. Bent to smithereens. tablespoons of salted butter melting in here on medium heat. So this is an electric stove, so heating may vary if you have a gas stove. So what's going to go in here is going to be my 1 full red onion and 3 stalks of celery. Just chopped up into pieces. Toss it in there with all the butter. Yep. And we are not going to brown. We're just going to soften it. So that's going to take about 5 minutes. So let them 5 minutes begin.
5 minutes later.
All right, now our veggies are nice and soft. It's time to go ahead and put in the potatoes. I did 3 medium potatoes and 3 medium carrots. We're going to go ahead and toss that in there. And yeah, I know, I got to scoop up the rest. No one left behind. All right. Okay. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and add the water. So, hot boiling water. I boiled it in the little tea heater thing. 2.5 cups. Yay. There it goes. And then it says to go ahead and we're going to season to taste. So it says pepper for me. I wrote this in my book. So we got some pepper in there. I like to see the pepper. That's when I know, hey, okay, that's enough. But remember, it's all to taste. And here is the salt. Well, let me move this spoon out of the way. Here is the salt. Just coating it. And you can keep adding if you need any more. But like I said, to taste. Alright, so this is going to be boiling for a bit. Obviously, we're going to boil it till the potatoes and the carrots are soft. So, we'll be back. Alright, my potatoes and carrots are nice and soft. So, it's time to add the cod in there. So, it's about 24 ounces of it. I went ahead and add that in there. As you can see, all of my veggies and the cod is diced in chunky size. Because I like it chunky like my husband. So there goes that. I'm going to have this cook for a little bit. Have it turn a little white. And then I'm going to add the milk. So let's wait a couple of minutes.
10 minutes later.
Yay, the fish is nice and cooked. Woohoo! Now it's time to add 2.5 cups of milk. Here we go. There we go. Awesome. All right, mix it up a bit. All right. Okay, go ahead and let that heat up. And then after we let it heat up, we're going to go ahead and garnish it with some parsley in the end. Yummy. And our soup and oyster crackers. I can't wait. All right, all done. We're going to go ahead and pour us some cod chowder. So yummy. All right. I'm going to go ahead and toss it here with the rest. Garnish it with some parsley and some of our crackers. Yeah. Yummy. And it was so amazing. The broth was very thick. Yay. All right. Hope you like it.
Alright guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I know we had to throw in quite a few things to be able to make it a video for this one. Old man weather, and the weatherman really didn't give us what we wanted. But anyway, definitely appreciate y'all. Make sure you're thanking a veteran every chance you get.
Not only on Veterans Day.
And we'll see y'all next one.
Bye.
All right, bye-bye, y'all.